Hi everyone, hope you all are doing fine and welcome to another video. So guys, in this video we will discuss about the important chapter in CMA final indirect taxation so that you can easily score 60 plus in paper number 18 indirect taxation. Okay guys, and in the end of the video I also refer the best reference book which is beneficial for you, for those students also doing self study. So hope you understand that. Let's discuss the important chapter. First of all, we will discuss about the curriculum. We have uh, we have 50% for GST, 20 mark for custom, 10 mark for RTP or FTP, and 10 mark for case study basis. Okay. So for case study basis questions, I can refer that key only study material and past year paper is more than sufficient for case study questions. Okay. Case study basis questions. So hope you understand that. Now come to the 50 mark portion for GST. So now the study note number 1 introduction, you can read only, not that much important. MCQ basis question 1, 2 question will come in this form from this study note number. Now come to study note number 2, levy and correction of text only for reading purpose. One or two times you can read out. Okay. So this is also not that much important. So hope you understand. Now come to another topic. Study note number 3. Study note number 3 is classification of goods and service under GST. Reading the rate schedule, you can read out, not that much important, but time of supply, study note number 4, study note number 5, value of supply under GST is important. Now come to place of supply under GST, important. Input tax credit also very important. Registration under GST, yes, you can do in theory 3 or 5 or 8 mark. The question will come. Then study note number 9, tax invoice, credit and debit note and other document under GST is not that much important. Now come to another study note number 10, accounts and records under GST. Yes, important chapter. Payment of tax, not that much important. TCS under GST, not that much important. Return under GST, yes, important chapter. Matching concept under GST, not that much important. Import, export, no. Assessment, inspection, search and seizure, you can read out. Audit under GST, yes, very important. Goods and service tax compensation to state, you can read it out only. Advanced concept under GST, you can read out. Job work under GST, you can read only. E-way bill under GST, transitional provisions, anti-profiting, you can read only. Replying to department notices under GST sample cases, you can only read. Operational of GST portal, a walkthrough only read for reading purpose. Now to come custom basic concept, you can only read purpose. Classification under custom, you can read only. Types of duty important. Valuation under GST, valuation is most important in custom. Import and export procedure, not that much important, only read. Warehousing important. Duty drawback important. Baggage and postal important. Admin other aspect important. Custom import of goods at concessional, not that much important. Search and seizure, not that much. Comprehensive issues under GST, not. Only valuation, duty drawback, baggage. FTP, you can buy any reference book or from a study material itself sufficient. Okay, and for case study basis question, I have already mentioned that. I told you that yes, study material and past year paper case study is sufficient. Okay, now at the end of the video, I am concluding, and then I will refer the reference book you can refer. Okay, guys. So concluding, 50 mark GST, 20 custom, 10 FTP, 20 mark case study. For case study, case study and past year paper. So hope you understand that. Okay. Apart from this, if you're talking about the reference book, those students who are doing guys self study can buy the reference book. I can refer. There are a lot many teachers. I'm not as per my based on my experience or opinion. I am referring some of the, and you can buy the refer the book of CA Vishal Bhattad sir. But they prepared book specifically for CA student. But as you know that GST almost same as CS, CS or CMA. If you want, you can buy CA Vishal Bhattad. But those students who want to buy a reference book specifically for CMA student, so I can refer the Priyanka Saxena ma'am and Suraj Agarwal sir. Suraj Agarwal sir also teach CA student, but for CMA student, they prepare the content according to CMA student. Okay, so hope you understand that you need to do some research. I have suggested three, out of which you need to do some research and choose as per your convenience or availability. And for those students, yes, guys, 100% paper number 18 can be done by self study. Myself in my CMA final, I have scored good mark with self study. Okay, I never take the classes of IDT in direct taxation. So hope you understand that. Okay. So same for those students who are taking classes. Yes, you can. You need to do some research on out of three options like Priyanka Saxena, Suraj Agarwal, or and you can say Vishal Bhattad sir. You need to do some research on yourself. The fee structure. Okay, Vishal Bhattad sir fees is too high according if you comparison with the other two Priyanka Saxena ma'am and Suraj sir. So you need to check your financial how much you can bear for the fees. So you need to do some research. But I have shared with you some faculty which is best as per my opinion. Okay. Okay. After watching this video, you have any doubt, you can ask me, and surely I will try to help you. For this, apart from this, the remaining CMA final subject, I have also prepared the important chapter video. So hope you like the video. And after watching this video, have any doubt, you can ask me. And that's all about in this video. Bye, guys. Keep studying, keep enjoying, and keep growing, guys. Bye, guys.